Guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to ventilate a 360 recap. I'm also going to be showing you some tricks that I did to achieve this. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to ventilate properly. If you want to know how to ventilate for a braided wig, or you want to learn how to ventilate properly, then this video is for you. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, do well to subscribe to be part of my family. Now I'm going to be using this 360 wig cap, and mine came with elastic band that is purple. This is one of the mistakes that I made when purchasing this, and also there is some mistake in this wig cap. I've decided to use the back as the front, which is the elastic band is going to be at the front. Now I'm going to be ventilating as usual. Put 1 or 2 strands of hair and pull out and tie. But for a braided wig, we are going to be using 2 strands of hair. Put 2 strands of hair in a single hole, pull out and tie. For the spacing, I'm doing the leave out 1 single hole, then ventilate the other one. Leave out single hole, ventilate the other one. This is what I'm going to be doing at the back. If you want a tiny spacing, don't jump line, just leave out 1 single hole, ventilate the next one. But if you want a spacing that is too big, which is sometimes is not advisable, leave out 1 line, ventilate a single hole, then leave out another single hole and ventilate the next one. So this is how it looks like. Probably you'll be wondering why I'm ventilating this way, leaving the elastic band like this. The elastic band is supposed to be inside, but actually I decided to use it this way because of some mistake that was made in the net. And also I'm going to be showing you a way that I hide the elastic band. I'm going to be showing you in this video. It's one method that I think is still okay as long as you will use another elastic band and put it inside, then it's also okay, you're good to go. Now in the ventilation, I'm going to be using ventilate 1 hole, leave out another one. I'm going to be doing ventilating and I'll be leaving out 1 line, then ventilate the next one. I'm doing this because this part is just the up part and nobody sees it, so I'm going to be doing it this way. If you actually want to get a tiny ventilation, it's most advisable not to leave out any line, just ventilate the whole line. But the technique is to ventilate 1 hole and leave out 1 hole. This method, I'm ventilating and I'm leaving out a single line. Okay, I'm going to be doing this till I close up the lines. There are so many methods to ventilate for a braided wig. One is to ventilate like this. This makes the process fast, but it's not advisable most times as the braided wig will look scanty. I'm just doing this at the upper part of this wig, and I'll be showing you how to ventilate for braided wig, the methods that I use in my next video. Do well to subscribe to my channel to be part of my family. I'm done, and this is how it looks like when you section it. This is how it should look like. It's not that bad, but for me most times I ventilate a tight ventilation. And at the back, I want to show you guys some tricks that I use to to get rid of this elastic band, I'm going to be folding it to hide it. This is my method. Moreover, you can do it the best way if your wig cap is good. Mine was for a purpose, and you can also do it this way that I'm doing it if you eventually made a mistake and you put the wig cap, the elastic bands at the upper part, then you can do it this way. So I'm going to be hiding the elastic band inside. This method, after you have hide this, you can just buy an elastic band and add it inside. It's still okay. Or maybe you want to get rid of this elastic completely, you want to make the process faster for you. What you should do is either to cut out the elastic band and do some tricks that I'm doing now. I'm going to be ventilating around the elastic band, and also I'm going to be ventilating around the thicker part, including the inside. The next step is to use a black polish to blend the purple elastic band. So I'm using it to cover up the elastic band. After that, I'm going to use the hair to close off this. And also, because the band is still showing, the black band is still showing, I'm going to use a net to cover it like this. What I did is just to cut out net and fix it, then ventilate it so that I can section it. This is how it looks like. I hope this video was helpful for you. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button to be part of my family. See you in my next video. Bye.